So viewers, we are appealing to you. If you have any information, the number is coming up on your screen.
As a drink, my mistake was letting her go searching for my son. Yeah, that one, it ain't right. I spent weeks feeling beats, hearing daddy, daddy, daddy. I'm depressed from the nest, day and night. And what time do you call this?
The search lost track of the time.
Yeah, I wouldn't give a hoot. Well, your father does.
The mom will let us stay out.
Mom's not here. You're grounded.
When's mom coming back?
I don't know, honey.
But she is coming back.
I don't know, honey.
Will she find Dudley?
I don't know, honey. I don't know. All right, kids, it's time to roost. Make sure you brush your beaks. And don't take all the water. My bill's big enough. When Ida said she'd go, I had to let her. Ashamed because they sacred suits are better. Where's the joy in motherhood? An endless round of chores that have to be done. And when you think you've seen the back of them, you find an actual fact. You're back at square one. There's no joy in motherhood. Or if there isn't something I just can't see, that Ida somehow copes with all of this. And then on top of that, she puts up with